An asthma attack can happen anytime and anywhere.
Oh, it's getting hot in here.
Hey, you alright? What's happening?
I think I'm having an asthma attack.
Oh, it's alright. My brother had asthma, I know what to do. Where's your inhaler?
When you're starting to have an asthma attack, show your friends where your spacer is and get them to bring it to you. First up, try to calm down and sit up straight. Secondly, shake your inhaler, insert it into the spacer and press down once. Now take 6 slow, deep breaths. Repeat this process 5 more times so that you do a total of 36 breaths. Thirdly, wait for 6 minutes, and if you still don't feel well, call for an emergency by dialing 111. Meanwhile, continue this process every 6 minutes until emergency assistance arrives. These simple steps can save you or your friend's life.
How are you feeling now?
I'm feeling okay. Thank you for that. How do you know all this stuff?
My brother had asthma and I had to learn this stuff. I believe everybody else should as well.
Well, thank you. I appreciate it.